Today we're gonna have a look at how to take the cheeks off a halibut head here. So you requested it in another video, so I figured let's give it a shot here. So I have a fillet knife here, pretty sharp, nice one. This one is called. I'm gonna add a link if you want to purchase this one. To take the cheek off a halibut head, you want to kind of feel along the head here and see where the meat starts. You can feel kind of an edge here. So you want to put your knife in there. And we're gonna go all the way along this bone to the front. So I'm gonna repeat that up here as well. I can feel it's going all the way down to the top of the head. So putting our knife in there, slow, surely wins the race, right? All the way up here. And I think this is a good place to start. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna angle our knife down against the bone so that we can make a little bit of room here to put our knife in like that. And from here, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna cut down along the bone like we've done. I'm gonna hold the meat up a little bit so it's easier to work with. See, there is a nice steak inside this head. So cutting along the edge here. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. I think this is dinner for today. To take it off, I think what we're gonna do is that I'm just gonna continue cutting here. There we go. Nice steak. We can take a steak on the other side as well. The steak on the other side here is obviously not going to be as big as the head is a lot flatter on that side. But let's go ahead and do that as well. So we're going to feel along the head here, essentially where we're going to cut, right? Again, we start here and we go up, up, up here. And it stops around here. And then we're going to cut back down again, down, forwards towards the head. So you have a little outline here. So again, I'm just going to take my knife and I'm going to follow this outline. Make a groove cutting along the meat here. Or along the bone, I should say. Just gonna cut in a circle. That. And again, what I like to do here is just make a little bit of room for my knife. So I'm just cutting a little bit downwards, angling the knife a little bit, so that I can try to lift up the skin a little bit here once we reach the end. So like that. At this point, I think we should be able to lift up the skin here a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Start prying the meat off here. So we're going down against the bone. Just pulling up the steak. Pretty nice steak down here as well. How many kilos do you think this halibut was when we caught?
13.
13 kilo, yeah. So we get a nice couple of 100 grams. Steak is a little bit frozen there. It's been on ice for a couple of days. Yeah, I think we're gonna take it here actually. I'm just gonna see the skin is gonna peel back here. So here we can cut loose the steak. Steak. Like that. A good steak here. Ta-da! And here you have a nice second halibut steak there. And the halibut head has lost some weight as well. So I'm gonna take these back home and fry them up. I'm gonna make some recipes for these as well. Obviously you can take the skin off this one as well if you want to, or you could fry it on the skin there, like this. So if you want to see how to cook the halibut cheeks, I'm gonna add a link here on how to do that next. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you over in the next video.